And India generates tons of thermocol and plastic waste every day. What if these can be successfully converted to products to be used in our day-to-day life? Dr. Shantanu Bhowmik from Coimbator's Amrit Vishwa Vidyapeeth has patented technology to reuse thermocol and plastic waste. Has more in this report.
In a country like India, plastic waste is a growing concern. According to the Central Pollution Control Board in India, 60 major Indian cities produce combined 25,940 tons of plastic waste every day. Although 60% is recycled, the rest stays on land as litter or slowly makes its way into our waterways. In order to fight this menace, Dr. Shantanu Bhowmik, professor at the School of Engineering in Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth in Coimbatore, has found a novel solution, creating products made from non-recyclable plastic and thermocol that could also solve the problem of affordable housing for millions of Indians.
From the thermocol waste, we have successfully converted these products, and you can see it's so flexible, and this product would be in automotive parts, even the bumpers of the car can be successfully made, and a new company is forming on this technology in Baroda. Then I like to show this Tetra Pak. You can see that we just drink the Maja Mango or even the Kevin milk, or even we just drink the lassi and we throw this Tetra Pak out. And from this Tetra Pak, we successfully made these fibers. These fibers you can see so smooth like cotton kind of thing. So you can make the sofa cushion, then the pillow, then the blanket, and also we can make also the warm jackets.
Dr. Bhowmik said that thin single-use plastic bags or low-density polythene have a useful life of just half an hour perhaps. If collected, these bags can be used to make roof tiles and footpath tiles blocks that can take a load of 15 tons compression that a truck generates. They last about 50 to 60 years, and after their useful life of 50 years, they can be reprocessed to make useful products again. Multi-layer plastics can be used to make tabletops and is in use in the manufacturing of furniture parts in Coimbatore.
We entered the construction domain by making roof tiles out of waste plastics and also the pavement tiles out of waste plastic. This pavement tile is just 300 grams, but it can stand up to 10 to 15 tons of load.
We also have two other products in the portfolio. This is slabs and roof sheets made from MLP waste. This slab is corrosion resistant, termite resistant, and it is not prone to moisture. It is an alternative for plywood, thus it has greater life.
Another bulky waste, thermocol, which is currently being thrown away right after use and is not being recycled. Dr. Bhowmik has patented a technology that uses thermocol to make molded automotive parts such as bumpers, edging of windscreens and car windows. He has shared the technology with a company in Vadodara which has started manufacturing automotive parts using this technology. This is truly a case of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which uses Make in India product for a green and clean India. Taposh Bhattacharya's report, DD India.